Logging on to LiveCompare for the first time, let me walk you through some of the icons. The first icon here will log you off from LiveCompare. Don't click that right away. The next one here will open and close your Model Explorer. So that is helpful when you need some more screen real estate when you're building a big workflow. The next one is the Quick Compare Wizard. So in this wizard, you're able to select two systems from a drop-down. Let me choose SAP 54 for my system 1 and 23 for my system 2. And then you have an object type here to select. Choose program, and then enter the program name, SAP MV45A. You can hit enter or compare. I see there are some code differences in my program. 0 deletes, 7 inserts, and 0 changes. So to get to these inserts, I see the first one here. You just click next 7 times to get through each one, and they all look like they are enhancement point related. Transports tab will tell you the transport history of the object, and sometimes this can help you guide you to why the program is out of sync. Maybe it's one of these transports that was applied. To go back to your selection, click the Go Back button, and this time I'm going to change program to function and do set tax amount. There's a function module called set tax amount. I want to compare it between my two systems to see if there are any code differences. So for this one, there are actually 8 changes and 9 inserts. When there's a code difference, it has the differences highlighted in red. Okay. One more example. Let's do table content of T001. 42 records are the same, 10 are different. 0 unique to system 1, 4 unique to system 2. So here's an example of this first one, company code 1, and how it's different. So that's the Quick Compare Wizard. Very helpful if you want to compare a single object between two systems, and you want to select multiple or an option to do multiple different object types, including smart forms. You can compare smart forms in LiveCompare. The next icon is Help. Here you can read documentation about LiveCompare, the templates, what's new in this release, as well as all these other notes. I often see customers look up what objects do we support. So there's an object types matrix here, and there's also an object types. So here is a high-level list of all the objects that we can analyze. Some of them we compare, some of them we analyze the links. And there's a list here of BW-specific objects as well. This same list you can see in this object type matrix on the left-hand side. And along the top are some of our core actions, and you can see what actions support what object types. After the help icon, you'll see your user that you've logged in as. If you have any projects that you've been assigned to, you'll see all the projects here. If you haven't enabled projects, you won't see a drop-down. The last icon displays the current build, so 3.5 build 139, and the icon before that will go to the apps, the consumer interface. So if you log on as a LiveCompare editor, you see the studio, which is this view. If you click on this smartphone icon, that brings you to the apps. Thanks for watching.